Best glass boards. This ensures a clean look every time. Installation is straightforward and maintenance requires minimal effort. With a glass whiteboard, notes and presentations are more visible. This clarity helps in better understanding and communication. Whether for personal use, office, or educational settings, they meet diverse needs. Investing in a glass whiteboard means investing in quality and longevity. Perfect for those who value aesthetics and functionality in their workspace. Quartet Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard. Elevate your workspace with the Quartet Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard. Its frameless design offers a sleek, modern look. The white surface is perfect for clear writing and easy erasing. Magnetic functionality allows you to display notes and photos effortlessly. Measuring 48 inches by 36 inches, it fits comfortably in various spaces. Enjoy a blend of style and practicality with this versatile whiteboard. Advantages: perfect for any workspace, this whiteboard offers a sleek design. It blends seamlessly with modern decor thanks to its frameless mounting. The magnetic surface adds functionality, allowing easy attachment of notes. Keep your ideas organized and visible at all times. Strong and durable glass ensures long-lasting use. No ghosting or staining. Always a clean surface. Ample space for brainstorming and planning. Capture thoughts, sketches, and plans effortlessly. Easy to install, fits various settings. Offices, classrooms, or home offices benefit greatly. List number: Magnetic Glass Whiteboard. Elevate any workspace with this sleek magnetic glass whiteboard. Its frameless design fits seamlessly into modern decor. Enjoy easy writing and erasing on its smooth surface. Ideal for brainstorming sessions, teaching, or organizing tasks. The large 48 by 36 size offers ample space for creativity. Perfect for offices, schools, and homes. Advantages: enhances office aesthetics. A sleek design adds elegance to any space. Its frameless structure provides a modern look. Easy to clean, wipes clean effortlessly. Always ready for fresh ideas or plans. Versatile usage, perfect for offices, schools, and homes. Adapts to various needs. Durable and long-lasting, made from strong glass. Promises durability and long-term use. Magnet-friendly surface, holds important notes or reminders, keeps you organized efficiently. List number: TSJ Office Glass Dry Erase Board. Transform your workspace with the TSJ Office Glass Dry Erase Board. Its sleek frameless design fits any decor. Measuring 36 by 24 inches, it provides ample space for notes and ideas. The magnetic surface holds papers securely, combining functionality with style. Perfect for offices, homes, and schools. Easy to install and maintain for daily use. Advantages: enhances office and home decor with its sleek, frameless design. Offers a magnetic surface for notes and reminders. Handy. Large size provides ample space for ideas and plans. Easy to clean, ensuring a spotless writing surface. Durable glass surface resists staining and dusting. List number 4. Glass Whiteboard, 6 x 4 feet. Transform your workspace with the sleek glass whiteboard, measuring 6 x 4 feet. Perfect for offices, schools, and homes. Its frameless design offers a clean, modern look. The magnetic dry erase surface allows easy writing and quick erasing. Attach notes or papers with magnets effortlessly. Enhance meetings and presentations with clarity and style. Advantages: offers a sleek, modern look to any space. Enhances style. Easy cleaning surface. Wipes off without leaving any stains. Magnetic feature holds notes. Great for reminders and tasks. Large size, perfect for clear, visible presentations. No crowding. Durable glass resists scratches. Maintains its pristine appearance. List number 5. U-Brands Glass Dry Erase Board. Enhance your workspace with the sleek U-Brands Glass Dry Erase Board. Measuring 35 by 23, its white frosted surface offers a clean look. Silver grommets add a touch of elegance to this frameless design. Easy to install and perfect for jotting notes or brainstorming ideas. Includes a marker with eraser for immediate use. Ideal for home offices, classrooms, or creative spaces. Advantages: elevate any workspace with the stylish U-Brands Glass Dry Erase Board. Its white frosted surface adds a touch of elegance. Silver grommets ensure easy mounting, and a sleek, frameless design enhances modern aesthetics. Enjoy smooth writing with its high-quality glass surface. Markers glide effortlessly for clear, visible notes. The included marker with an eraser offers convenient writing and cleaning. Durability is a key feature. The glass surface resists stains and ghosting. This ensures it remains pristine over time, making it a long-lasting investment. Organize thoughts efficiently with ample writing space. The 35 inches by 23 inch size is perfect for brainstorming. Ideal for home offices, classrooms, or meeting rooms.